Welcome, my little gems. I hope you all are enjoying your online studies. This is our session 1 of Computer Chapter 3 Understanding Windows 10. Tell me, students, who takes care of all the household work at your home? Yes, you guessed it right. Your parents? They look after all the household work in such a manner that you don't have to worry about anything. It is because they run the house with a system.
Suppose your parents are away and you have to manage the house. You will surely find it difficult.
To manage the daily course of a house and will find yourself in a mess. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as an operating system. An operating system is the software that let us communicate with the computer. An operating system works as an interface between user and hardware. Students, हम यूज़र्स हुए एंड हार्डवेयर मतलब कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स. अब हम जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस देंगे वो कंप्यूटर को कैसे समझ में आएगी? हम यूज़र्स क्या करते हैं? एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं. फिर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वो एप्लीकेशन वो इंस्ट्रक्शन को कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर के साथ कम्युनिकेट करवाता है. सो इट वर्क्स एज एन इंटरफेस. Some examples of popular operating system used on desktop and laptop are Microsoft Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Do you know which operating systems are used on mobile phones? They are Android and iOS. A computer cannot run without an operating system. अगर कंप्यूटर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है तो वो रन नहीं हो सकता. स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स सी सम फंक्शंस ऑफ द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. इट कंट्रोल्स द वर्किंग ऑफ डिफरेंट हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस अटैच्ड टू द कंप्यूटर लाइक कीबोर्ड, माउस एंड मॉनिटर. It also keeps track of all the programs on which we are working. Students, in this chapter, we will discuss about Microsoft Windows operating system. MS Windows is a graphical user interface based operating system. We do not have to remember text-based commands to operate the computer. It has small pictures called icons. You can carry out tasks on a computer by clicking, pointing or dragging the icons. It is easy to learn and use. Students, टेक्स्ट बेस्ड जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स पहले यूज़ होते थे उसमें क्या होता था, हमें टेक्स्ट याद रखना पड़ता था. स्पेलिंग याद रखना उससे अच्छा बेटर है कि कोई आइकन रहेगा, एक छोटा सा आइकन रहेगा तो हम उसको ईजिली याद कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ वेरी ईजी टू लर्न एंड यूज़. इट अलाउज यू टू वर्क ऑन मैनी प्रोग्राम्स एट द सेम टाइम. In a GUI OS, everything is shown as a part of a rectangular area called window. In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 10 operating system. Starting Windows. When you switch on a computer, the screen as shown in figure appears automatically. This screen signifies that Windows OS is being loaded into the computer memory. कंप्यूटर ऑन करते हैं, फिर ये स्क्रीन आती है. इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि जो विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है वो कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में लोड हो रहा है. दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ लोडिंग द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इनटू द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी is called booting. During booting, the computer performs necessary actions which makes it ready to use. After booting, the following screen appears. This is called the login screen. A login screen asks you to enter a username and password. Children, would you open the door of your home to a stranger? आप किसी को नहीं जानते, अनजान आदमी के लिए आप अपने घर का दरवाज़ा खोलोगे? नहीं ना, because it is not safe for you and your house. सेम कंप्यूटर में जो भी है तो वो कोई अनऑथराइज्ड स्ट्रेंजर पर्सन यूज़ ना कर सके, इसलिए हम क्या देते हैं? यूज़र नेम एंड password. Username is any name created to use the computer and password is a secret key used along with the username.
Let us now learn about the various components of Windows 10.
The first screen that appears on the monitor after the Windows OS is loaded is called desktop. The background image of the desktop is called the wallpaper. Students, in the pictures you can see दो different background image है.
The desktop contains
icons and taskbar.
But students, what are icons?
The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Some of the common icons on the desktop are this PC and recycle bin. This PC. By double clicking on this icon opens a window that lets you check the contents of your computer's hard disk, CD, DVD or any other storage device. Recycle bin. You already have learnt all these things in standard 2. What is the use of recycle bin? Correct. When we delete a file or folder, it goes to the recycle bin. We can double click on this icon to view the deleted file or folder. But what is a file? A file is a collection of data stored in the form of text, pictures, music और वीडियो. स्टूडेंट्स, आप जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पेंट या टक्स पेंट में कोई ड्राइंग बनाते हो
और वो ड्राइंग को
जब हम सेव करते हैं तो वो एक फाइल बन जाती है. आपने कोई इंटरनेट से मूवी डाउनलोड की है तो वो क्या एक बन जाती है? फाइल बन जाती है. फोल्डर. अ फोल्डर इज अ कंटेनर that stores related files and folders. Students, here you can see in the picture tree, e-waste and poem. ये 3 फाइल्स हैं। फोल्डर यूजुअली येलो आइकन रहता है। सो स्कूल वर्क एंड स्टोरीज, ये दोनों क्या है? फोल्डर है। फोल्डर के नाम क्या है? स्कूल वर्क एंड स्टोरीज। फाइल एंड फोल्डर both are identified by its name. Program icons. A program starts on clicking on a program icon. Students, do you remember जब आप टक्स पेंट ऑन करते हो तो कैसे चालू करते हो? यस, ये टक्स पेंट के आइकन पे आप डबल क्लिक करते हो, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोग्राम आइकन।
So students, let's quickly revise what we have learned in this session.
An operating system is a very important software. It controls the working of the computer. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. The process of loading the operating system when a computer is switched on is known as booting. Desktop is the first screen that appears on the computer monitor after the Windows operating system starts. The icons are small pictures that appear on the desktop. That is all for today's session. I hope you all have understood. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.